Happy birthday and happy monthsary. Love, love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
Surprise po! Happy birthday! Ma'am, happy birthday po! May idea po ba kayo, ma'am? Kanino nang galing itong paka-transfer prize sa inyo? Saan po? Opo, tama po kayo. Ito po ay nanggaling kay Sir Tom, all the way from Taiwan. Happy, happy birthday! At dahil kaarawan niyo, ma'am, meron po kayong birthday sass. Happy birthday po! At dahil kaarawan niyo, ma'am, meron po kayong birthday cake. Pero bago ko po, ma'am, ay tatantahan po namin kayo ng birthday song. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ma'am, wish ko muna mag-upload ang candle. Happy birthday! Basahin ko lang nakalagay sa cake. Happy birthday and happy monthsary. Love, love. Happy birthday. Yan po, ma'am. May katanungan po ako sa inyo. Ma'am, ilang monthsary years hindi pa nakaway si Sir Tom? Ay, sa akin ba? Okay. Dahil sa 4 months na yun, sa short pa lang. Siyempre, hindi niya nakakalimutan ninyo sa happy birthday! At dahil sa arawan niyo po, mayroon po kayong flower bouquet! Happy, happy birthday! Happy birthday po, ma'am! At dahil sa arawan niyo, ma'am, may kasama po itong balloon sheet. At syempre, may kasama din po itong birthday message. Pero bago ko po basahin, magpakilala po muna kami. Kami nga po pala ang Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Miss Diana, nandito po kami upang gawing extra special ang inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday! Ma'am, ready ka na basahin? To my girlfriend, wishing you a happy and radiant birthday. May every step you take lead to the most wonderful things. And all I need is to be by your side. Suddenly, I realize I'm missing a gift because you're the one I want to hug on your birthday. Hug this gift and receive lots of love from me. I love you. Again, happy, happy birthday to you and happy monthsary. Your love, Pao. Happy, happy birthday! Kamusta, ma'am? Na-surprise ka ba? Naiyak si ma'am. Naiyak si ma'am manigi. So, kamusta ang pakiramdam? Masaya. Naiyak ko si ma'am. Ma'am, ngayon po, anong masasabi niyo kay Sir Tom? Nanonood po siya. Sa pakartang surprise po sa inyong karawan. Message po sa kanya. Thank you, message. Piyog ko na lang po. Sige, short message. Nasa Taiwan po siya, malayo po siya. Ano masabi mo? Naiyak na, sir. Naiyak po si Ma'am inyong regalo para sa kanyang kaarawan. Sige po. Sa kaibigan ni Ma'am. Ay, kapatid! Ma'am, ano masabi niyo? Okay na lang. Sige po, kung wala na pong babati, kami naman po mga staff gustong lumapit sa inyong kaarawan. Sa'yo po, Ma'am Diana, binabati ka po namin ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday po. And lastly po sa aming sender, kay Sir Cam, all the way from Taiwan. Sir, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat kasi kami po ang inyong napili upang mahatid po itong sorpresa para po sa karawan ni Miss Dayan. Ipagpatuloy lang po ang pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Lagi po kayong mag-ingat dyan sa abroad. God bless po. Kayo po, Miss Dayan. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, ma'am.